Argo Cargo Kit. The Argo Cargo Kit is a clever invention that lets you turn your regular bike into a cargo bike in just 1 minute. If you need a bike for everyday riding, but also want something that can carry heavy loads, this kit gives you both without taking up extra space. It's perfect for people who live in the city, care about the environment, and want a practical way to get around. Using it is super simple. Just remove the front wheel of your regular bicycle and attach the Argo frame to the fork. This frame comes with a front wheel and a large cargo basket already built in. Once connected, your bike instantly transforms into a sturdy and reliable cargo hauler. The basket can hold up to 68 kilograms, which is great for carrying groceries, work tools, deliveries, or even a kid's backpack. The Argo Cargo Kit is built to last, designed for long-term daily use, and still easy to take on and off when needed. Aussie wheel polishing machines. The Aussie Rimshine Outback 200 is a powerful and efficient machine designed to make wheel polishing fast and easy. Packed with a strong 6.5 horsepower motor and a smooth twin V-belt drive, it spins at 210 RPM, perfect for giving truck wheels a brilliant shine in no time. In fact, it can polish a wheel in under a minute, making it ideal for busy garages, detailing shops, or service centers that handle a high number of vehicles. This machine doesn't just work fast, it delivers impressive results. Wheels come out looking like new, with a shiny, mirror-like finish that's sure to impress customers. It's especially useful for businesses that want to increase their efficiency and offer a premium service without spending hours on polishing by hand. Although it's priced at $589, the Aussie Rim Shine Outback 200 could quickly pay for itself with faster turnaround times and happy clients. Ball wheel bike. This fun and unusual invention from Australia gives the classic bicycle a wild twist by using basketballs instead of regular wheels. Instead of just changing the shape or size of the wheels, the inventor decided to replace them completely. Each basketball sits in a special holder with 4 rollers that help it spin. When you pedal, a small wheel in the back turns the basketball, moving the bike forward. It may sound strange, but the creator says it actually makes the bike easier to turn and more fun to ride than a normal bike. The best part? If you ever feel like taking a break, you can take the basketballs off and play a game with your friends. It's like having a bike and a basketball court in one. The inventor is already working on a second version to improve the design, and people online are loving it. Some are even suggesting new versions using bowling balls or other sports gear. Bloom T10 drilling templates. The Bloom T10 drilling templates are smart tools designed to make furniture building easier and more precise. Whether you're a professional or just love DIY, these templates help you drill perfect holes for drawer runners, clips, and guide rails with zero guesswork. They come in a handy carrying case, so you can keep everything organized and ready to go wherever you're working. One of the key tools in this set is the T651 template. It's specially made for marking and drilling the right spots to mount drawer runner hooks and guide rails. Using this tool ensures everything lines up perfectly, which saves you time and prevents mistakes during installation. It works smoothly with other Bloom products, making your job faster and more efficient. These templates are built in Austria and known for their excellent quality. They're durable, reliable, and made to last through many projects. BMW iVision D. The BMW iVision D is a futuristic electric car that feels more like a smart companion than just a vehicle. D stands for Digital Emotional Experience, and this concept car is designed to connect with you in a fun and personal way. With a clean, minimalist look on the outside, it's packed with impressive technology on the inside. One of the coolest features is the full-width head-up display on the windshield. It can show you directions, speed, messages, and even let you control how much information you want to see with a simple touch using BMW's mixed reality slider. The idea is to blend the digital and real worlds to make driving more exciting and useful. Another amazing feature is its ability to change colors using e-ink technology. You can switch up the car's appearance with the press of a button, picking the look that matches your mood. BMW Motorrad Concept Link. The BMW Motorrad Concept Link is a smart electric bike built for the future of city travel. Inspired by BMW's futuristic Vision Next 100, this concept bike brings together style, technology, and performance in one cool package. It runs on an electric motor, so it's completely silent and produces zero emissions, perfect for clean and efficient urban commuting. Its design is sharp and modern, with a front that looks like a shark's nose, and a lightweight body made from carbon fiber and aluminum. But it's not just about looks. The Concept Link is packed with smart features that connect you to your bike and your surroundings. It can project useful information like speed, directions, and messages right onto the windshield or even into thin air using augmented reality. You can customize its settings to match your personal preferences, making each ride smooth and personalized. BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 is a futuristic motorcycle designed to combine high-tech innovation with the pure joy of riding. With a sleek black triangular frame and no visible joints or cables, it offers a smooth, modern look and self-balancing technology that removes the need for a kickstand. Steering is done by simply leaning, making the ride feel natural and effortless. Instead of wearing a helmet, riders use smart glasses that display useful information like speed, directions, and nearby hazards directly in front of their eyes. These glasses also let you control settings such as ride mode and sound, creating a seamless connection between rider and machine. This concept motorcycle adapts to both your surroundings and your personal preferences, giving you a safer, smarter, and more thrilling experience on two wheels. The Bogart bead breaker makes removing tough tires easy. No power needed, just hands. Safe, simple, and super effective. Bogart Aviation Tire Bead Breaker. The Bogart Aviation Tire Bead Breaker is a smart and reliable tool designed to help you remove tires quickly and safely. Priced at $319, it may look simple, but it's incredibly effective. This compact tool doesn't require batteries, fuel, or electricity, just your hands. It's perfect for use in remote locations or workshops where power isn't always available. What really sets this tool apart is its versatility. It works on a wide range of tires, from ATVs and utility vehicles to light aircraft. Whether you're a mechanic, pilot, or weekend off-roader, this tool makes the job easier. It's designed to gently break the tire bead without damaging the rim or tire, making it especially helpful when working with expensive or delicate wheels. Car Bench UL300. The Car Bench UL300 is a powerful and heavy-duty car lift made for serious automotive work. It can lift vehicles weighing up to 3.5 tons and raise them as high as 1.7 meters, giving mechanics plenty of room to work underneath comfortably. Whether you're doing repairs, maintenance, or full body work, this lift makes the job much easier and more efficient. Built from cold-rolled rectangular steel tubing, the UL300 is incredibly strong and designed to handle tough, daily use in professional workshops. Its solid structure provides excellent stability and safety while lifting even the heaviest cars, trucks, or SUVs. It's ideal for anyone needing a reliable platform for frame straightening, body repairs, or mechanical fixes. This lift is made with professionals in mind, strong, durable, and ready for demanding tasks. While the price may be on the higher side, the UL300 is a long-term investment that delivers outstanding performance and peace of mind. Chaikin Wood Splitter. The Chaikin Wood Splitter is a clever and budget-friendly tool that makes chopping firewood easier, faster, and safer, perfect for anyone getting ready for cold winter months. With firewood prices rising across Europe, especially in Germany, where a cubic meter can cost between $108 and $217, having a tool like Chaikin can save you money and effort. For just $74, the Chaikin gives you the power to split both dry and wet wood with ease. Its smart design includes a movable part that adds extra weight during each swing, helping you break logs more effectively without needing extra muscle. Whether you're stacking wood for a fireplace, a wood-burning stove, or just for emergencies, this tool helps you get it done quickly. It doesn't need electricity or fuel, so you can use it anywhere, at home, in the woods, or at your cabin. Lightweight, compact, and easy to carry. It's perfect for outdoor use or off-grid situations.